Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best tomato cage is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for any home gardener aiming for a bountiful harvest of juicy, ripe tomatoes, transforming unruly vines into organized, productive plants and ensuring your precious produce stays off the ground, preventing rot and pest damage, ultimately making your gardening journey much more rewarding and your yield significantly larger with minimal effort. Number 5. K-Brand's Tomato Cage, 3-pack, 68 inches. These premium stakes feature a solid steel core and a durable plastic coating. They provide reliable support for your plants in any environment, built to last rain or shine. Setting up your plant cage has never been easier. Simply snap the poles together, with no extra tools required. You can get growing in minutes and enjoy a frustration-free gardening experience. It's not just for tomatoes. Whether you're growing climbing roses, beans, or jasmine, its ergonomic design ensures your plants thrive. It keeps fruit and leaves off the ground, reducing stress on their stems. Give your plants the care they need with its adjustable, snap-on clips. As they grow, you can effortlessly reposition it to provide continuous, tailored support. This helps them flourish all season long. Reaching up to 68 inches in height, this plant cage offers generous room for seedlings and starter plants to grow strong. It helps deliver bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. What we like? This cage stands out with its impressive height and adjustable design. It provides continuous, tailored support as your plants grow, ensuring they thrive all season long. If you are growing very tall plants or need flexible support throughout the season, you should consider this one. What people say. No product reviews were found in the provided source. Unable to extract specific points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Durable garden clips for climbing plants. These clips are crafted from top-tier plastic, ensuring they resist cracking and fading even under harsh sun, rain, or frost. Their smooth edges prevent stem damage, promoting healthier plant growth without harm. Featuring a generous 1.2-inch wide opening, they can securely hold stems up to 1 inch thick, perfect for various plants like tomatoes and cucumbers. They integrate seamlessly with your existing trellises, cages, and stakes for robust vine support. Designed for repeated use, these heavy-duty clips feature a reinforced hinge that won't break, ensuring they last for many years. This reusability saves you money compared to constantly buying disposable ties or wires. Their convenient buckle design makes them incredibly easy to use, just a light clamp firmly ties branches. Once snapped on, they stay securely in place, even during windy conditions, preventing branches from falling off. By improving airflow and sunlight exposure, they help enhance the quality of your fruits and vegetables. These snap-on supports also save significant labor compared to manual tying, making them ideal for both home gardens and larger farms. What we like? These clips offer a gentle yet firm hold for your climbing plants. Their durable, sun-resistant design ensures they last for many years, saving you money on disposable ties. If you have many climbing plants and want a cost-effective, non-damaging support solution, these are perfect. What people say. Number 3. Moirsunt 4-pack 50.2-inch multifunctional plant support stakes. These stakes are crafted from strong 11mm diameter metal with a green plastic coating. This design provides superior strength and weather resistance, ensuring they can be reused season after season, both indoors and outdoors. With this set, you can construct 4 triangular tomato cages up to 50.2 inches high. The snap-on arms also allow you to create various shapes like squares, hexagons, or trellises, perfectly fitting different plant sizes and garden spaces. You can easily add, remove, or adjust its stakes as your plants mature. This offers greater flexibility than traditional wire cages, providing perfect support from seedling to full growth. Its stakes feature pointed ends for effortless insertion into the soil. Connecting pipes allow for height adjustments, while snap-on arms enable flexible shaping to suit various plant types. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. After disassembly, it stores flat, occupying minimal space and making it incredibly convenient for off-season storage. It works effectively with a wide range of plants, including tomatoes, peas, beans, and climbing flowers. This makes it a versatile solution for diverse garden needs, whether indoors or outdoors. This comprehensive set includes 36 plant stakes, 36 snap-on arms, and 24 connecting pipes, offering a full setup for various plant types. You'll also enjoy professional customer service with your purchase. What we like. This set allows you to create various shapes and structures, from triangles to squares. Its flexible and adaptable design means you can customize the support to fit different plant sizes and garden layouts. If you like to experiment with different plant arrangements or need versatile support for various plant types, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 2. LCHUANG Garden Netting Pest Barrier. Are pests and birds ruining your hard work? This netting offers a reliable solution to keep your precious plants safe from unwanted visitors. It ensures your fruits, vegetables, and flowers can thrive undisturbed. Designed for a wide range of uses, it's perfect for orchards, greenhouses, and even potted plants. You can use it to safeguard blueberries, tomatoes, trees, and more from insects and bugs. Featuring an upgraded drawstring design, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply place it over your plant and tighten the rope for secure, instant protection. Crafted from super durable PE material, this transparent cover provides lasting protection. Yet, it remains lightweight, ensuring it won't hinder your plant's growth. Its ultrafine mesh allows essential air and moisture to pass through freely. This means you don't need to remove it when watering or feeding your plants. Choose LCHUANG for peace of mind. We offer a lifetime exchange service for any product quality issues, ensuring your satisfaction without extra cost. What we like. This netting provides essential protection against birds and insects. Its fine mesh allows air and moisture to pass through, ensuring your plants remain healthy while being securely covered. If you need to protect your precious fruits and vegetables from pests without hindering growth, this is a must-have. What people say. Number 1. 2 PCS Galvanized Square Folding Tomato Cage. This pack includes 2 sets, providing 4 square panels for your garden. They are galvanized for long-term use, ensuring durability season after season. These stakes are perfect for supporting a variety of plants. From tomatoes to peas, beans, and even climbing flowers, they help your garden thrive. Featuring a 3-tier multi-level trellis, they are designed for optimal growth. Their sturdy wire construction is strong enough to support heavy plants, yet light for easy handling. Installation is a breeze, allowing quick setup in your garden. When the season ends, they fold flat for convenient, space-saving storage. Use each set individually for focused support. You can also connect multiple sets to create a larger garden lattice or protection barrier. What we like. This cage features a robust galvanized steel construction and a unique folding design. It offers strong, long-lasting support for heavy plants and can be easily folded flat for convenient off-season storage. If you value durability, easy setup, and compact storage for your plant supports, this is an ideal option. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. Cannot extract points from an empty input. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.